Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. This is actually part 2 of my Remington unboxing. The first video was this Pro, the Clipper Quick Cut Pro was the name. I have the old product that I'm super happy with. Check that video out if you are interested in that. The other products in the box is also for shaving your head. So I have 3 different products here to shave your head. And this second one is something that I've been really curious about for a long time. I have 99% of the time I shave my head with a trimmer, and that's it. A few times I have used a blade, and when I use the blade I always have to take with the machine as well. I have tried sometimes to do it with only machine, but it takes way too long because a machine made for the face with like 2 heads or 1 head, it takes way too long. Many years ago, Remington had a similar product like this with a collab with the strongman Ulf. I don't even remember his name, and he's Swedish, so that's embarrassing. But they had a product like this that I was really curious about, but it was nowhere to be found. And this is many years ago that they had this product. And now when I saw that they had a new one, I just thought I have to try it. And here we have the extra blade or head. Yeah, shave head. So this thing is, to simplify it, it is like a face trimmer, but for your head, so it's larger. And it cuts down to 0.2 millimeters. That is truly skin close, so you will look like you've been shaving with a razor. And the battery life is 50 minutes. So the battery life should last you a full month. And let's say what I said here. It said 5 cutting head shaves in less than 2 minutes on a 2 days growth. So 2 days growth is 1 millimeters more or less. So in 2 minutes you will shave your whole head down to 0.2 millimeters. And oh, it was great feeling in the hand. With trimmers, beard trimmers, whatever, when you want to shave your head, the main problem is that it's too small and how to grip it. This was great, and when you push it, it will shape after your head. So I'm really looking forward to try this one out. Yeah. As I said, I've been wanting to try this product or something similar for many years. The old product, I don't know if they were like ahead of their time or something, because the product wasn't to be found in any store, and then of course they removed it from the assortment. So this brand new one is very light. It almost feels like it's empty, like there's no engine in it. It's very light. Skin close result, 60% more coverage. So yeah, it covers 60% more than your standard shaver. That would be like 2 heads and tighter together, maybe 3. Easy to clean, 100% waterproof, 15-minute runtime, 1 month usage. So yeah, a very easy but yet smart product. So if you shave your head and shave it close to the skin, don't use a razor blade. I have cut myself in the neck so many times. And you think you look cool with a shaved head, and then you go out and you have like scars in your neck. That That doesn't look cool at all, trust me. So part 2 of this video is going to be when I tried it, but it's gonna take a couple of days because I'm gonna do the Quick Cut Pro first and then this one. And just a reminder, as with every product I show you, always fully charge it before you try it. Always fully charge it before you use it and before you judge it. So fully charge your products. Very light, very nice to have in your hand. Fits my hand perfect. And as you see, it forms after your head. I'm really eager to try this one out. Now I've shaved my head with the haircut, Pro Cut, I don't remember the name, but this is my favorite product. And this one, I don't remember what I said in the review about this Remington product, but this one, I like it more and more because it cuts really close to the skin. So I do my lines with this one. So this is what I'm usually happy with, doing it myself. And now, for the first time in many years, I'm gonna shave my head completely, and for the first time ever, I'm going to try something like this. So let's see what I think about it. It does the job a lot quicker than expected. And I remember when I used to shave my head with a razor blade, it took me a long time. This was really quick. I like this. And it does the bumps on my uneven head very easy. And that's usually where I cut myself with the blade. But it takes care of that. Ooh, that was nice. A bit uneven because I haven't done it the way I used to do, like lines over and over again. I just wanted to try it at first, but this was nice. I had forgot how nice this feeling is with a completely shaved head. And this time, no cuts, a little bit of shaving burns. I don't know if that's the English word for it. Because I really did it over and over and over again. I really pushed it down, but this is close, this is nice. It was really fast, really easy. So if you shave your head, I'm gonna do the lines. If you shave your head with a blazer, with a razor, with a knife, whatever you wanna call it, this thing is a must. So fast, so easy, so nice. I didn't even notice this. If I'm gonna take the lines, I have this one as well. Perfect. I recommend this one. Thanks for watching. I actually don't like this look, but it feels good. It feels really good.